Our goal is to give everyone a 5-star experience, and it's great to know that our efforts are so appreciated. Here's a fantastic review we're happy to share right now. Attention to detail and great satisfaction are among our top priorities. And as you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeed in providing top-rate services and complete care to each and every individual. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high-quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. Thank you for dropping in today. We're looking forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.